Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. I'm going to do it better this time. This is just an unusual look, and I think I can make it look better, but coming from a total different way to do it. I'm going to make an ellipse and hit P. I'm going to Control D, and then just bring it with the two-sided arrow, just bring it in a little bit. Well, I didn't make a Control D. Control D, bring it in, and then Control D again. For some reason, when you're Control D'ing that line, if I tried to do that with something like this, if this was one pattern and I had it rotated, sometimes it'll keep getting smaller and smaller. But when you're doing these rings, for some reason, it works. I drew a straight line, put it in the center of the page, Control D. I don't have to, I wanted to say alternate C, but I don't have to because it's in the center of the page. And rotate it 45 degrees. This is our writing surface, and this is the real reason for the video. If you tried to take a curvature of this line and then make a duplicate of it and move it down here, see, it doesn't fit. So what you do is you just make another curvature on the smaller one. And I'm going to actually put quite a bit of curve on this one. And that one is, well, let's check the origin. That one's going that direction. That one's going the same direction because when you blend, they've got to be going the same direction. I'm going to shift select that. I'm going to go to effects and blend 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And look, it put those lines exactly where they need to be. So now I'm going to take my virtual segment delete key and I'm going to delete the straight lines. And I guess I curved it more than I thought than I did before. So see how our lines are just totally, they're still like in this circle. One thing I did not do, I did not break the blend apart. And that's why I can't delete that line. And that might have been the reason I was doing those other ones. Now I've got my nudge factor set pretty high. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in, fill that in, fill that in. You know what? I'm going to go and do that one too. Now what I'm going to do is take this and I'm going to left click, right click, but I'm going to make these lines like 8 points. I'm going to go to object and convert the outlines to an object. We can actually get rid of this. I don't really need it anymore. I'm going to take my Smart Fill. I'm going to use that same color and I'm going to nudge these back. And if you look now, because I've made them an object, they've got some space between them. If I would have done that with just lines, there wouldn't be any space. Now I need to group this together, Control G, Control D to make a duplicate. I'm going to take my interactive fill tool and I'm going to put black right there. So that's how I did this one. I'm going to add a little bit to this one. I'm going to put a little blue right there and then put a little white here. Maybe put some more blue here. I just want to kind of pick in that white, making it smaller. Now I'm going to turn my rotation and then I'm going to try to move that down and see, boy, I never have really seen that before. That's pretty cool because of the fact that I put those white, you know what, that makes it look like 2 separate pieces. See, I actually covered up that blue. So let's just kind of do this. Now let's put another black here. And see, by doing this, we're messing with we need to kind of keep it like that. Well, that's too much black. I want the black to kind of go to the abyss. Now Control G to group that, Control D to duplicate it, alternate C to have it rotate. And when you see this with a black background in just a second, it's going to blew me away the way it looks so good. Go up to object, order, back a page. I mean, look at that. You know, the black lines aren't really there. This is transparent because I don't care if you make your black box blue. Look at that, what you get. You know, I think black's going to be the best. And it looks like a curved fan blade. And see, they're not symmetrical. The lines are hand drawn and kind of a whole different approach. Anyway, I hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.